Back in 1998, so some 26 years ago, we were building a large country house and it had a double garage, and we were looking for a strong, durable, impact-resistant lining for the inside. And what we chose back in 1998 was J&L Jukin's TriBoard. It's still there today, it's still performing well. This garage was lined in TriBoard just a couple of months ago. Same reason. It is strong, it's durable, it's impact resistant. In areas which are prone to maybe getting a few knocks, like a garage, it's a great alternative for interior lining. And the reason for its strength and durability is the TriBoard is literally 3 layers. There's an outside MDF layer, which gives you a nice smooth surface, so you could seal it, you could paint it. Inside, the strength is this wood strand core. This is a piece of 10mm, you can get 15mm, you can get sheets right up to 36 and 39mm, and those big panels are actually used for constructing entire houses in off-site manufacture. So there's a range of uses for the TriBoard. There's also a TGV finish, which I've used on another project. So if you're thinking about a wall lining that needs to be durable, that needs to have some impact resistance, TriBoard is a great solution.